Using two monitors with a docking station from Dell can make multitasking much easier by giving you more screen space for work, editing, or browsing. A dock such as the Dell WD-19 docking station allows you to connect multiple displays, a keyboard, mouse, and other accessories to your laptop through a single USB-C or Thunderbolt cable. Once the dock is connected and the monitors are plugged in, your computer can extend the desktop across both screens, letting you move apps and windows freely between them. With the right cables and settings, setting up dual monitors usually takes only a few minutes. Step 1. Connect the Dell docking station to your laptop using a USB-C or Thunderbolt cable. Step 2. Plug both monitors into the dock using HDMI, DisplayPort, or USB-C cables. Step 3. Turn on the monitors and ensure the dock is connected to power. Step 4. Open your computer's display settings and detect the external monitors. Step 5. Choose Extend Display and arrange the screens to match your desk layout.